second book. I got second book later. Three of us got book grade. Police and wake up and they got really sad and one laugh. Wake up is very sad and got really bad. And I got really in Nico. And Brookhaven, I was playing Brookhaven. And suddenly I said, then, and he said, what, they I Randall said, Randall did. And I got, and I got, and I went in, but police answered, one day, can you please unpaid KKI in Kalibuski? And I messaged where I unpaid it when I was playing Brookhaven. I said, and unpaid. And now, and he break us change it to sad break up. And guys, it is a message for you. And yes, the Kalibuski, you need to go to. Yes, you go to heaven. You go to wake up, you go to heaven. This you go to North here. Wait, it's a Muslim bar. I don't know, it's a Muslim scene. Because I got sad, really sad now. It is just a message for you guys. So, bye bye guys. Bye.